Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Nykaa cannot place order. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not work, simply head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar, and then search for the Nykaa app. Once you're here, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of the Nykaa app and try again. If the issues still persist, simply head over to your app drawer, search for the Nykaa app, make sure that you're logged in and make sure that your address is correct, make sure all VPNs are turned off. Also make sure that the restaurant that you're trying to order from is still open. Make sure that the product that you're trying to order is still available. If the issues still persist, simply head over to your app drawer, search for the Nykaa app, long press on it, uninstall it on your device, reinstall it from the Play Store and try again. If the issue still persists, it may be a server-side issue or you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.